Welcome back to this Component.Studio beginner walkthrough. Last time we set up the first row in the critter card dataset and linked all the columns with the appropriate image and text fields in the design. Now it's time to start adding more rows that represent the critter cards in the critter card set. I was using the possum critter card as the example for the first row, so I could just go ahead and finish up this one with the rest of the possum info. Critter name here, possum. Possum has the attribute stinky. Power is 2, carry is 2, and intelligence is 1. The possum's ability is, after breaching a receptacle, all critters without stinky must return to their owner's hand. And now we can flip back over to the design and see if those changes are being displayed on the possum card. And yeah, they are, as expected. Now, to add another card to the critter card set, we just add another row. For this, I'll just click this button here to duplicate the existing row. Now, we can go through and change the data for our next critter, which I've decided will be the bear. Bear gets the other face type, which I'm calling type B. Just click this menu in the cell and it will bring up the image library. I just find the intended image uploaded before and bam. Now, instead of stinky, bear has the pulley attribute. Bear's power is 10 because he's a bear. Carry is 5 and intelligence is also 5. About as smart as the average bear, you might say. Bear's ability is, if any trash remains in the receptacle after all critters collect their trash, collect 2 more trash. Bear's bonus trash is pancakes. We all know how much bears love pancakes. And now we can find the bear image in the image library. And there he is. And now we just have to rummage through the trash images to find the pancakes. Now back over in the design, we can see the bear card populated with all the data we just entered into the new row. Plus, now that there are multiple rows, these arrows at the top can now shuttle between each and display the different information contained in them, showing us the different cards they create. Now I'll hit duplicate like I did before and make a new row for Porcupine. This one uses face A. Porcupine is pointy, of course. Power 2, carry 2, intelligence 3. The Porcupine's ability is, after breaching a receptacle, all critters without pointy must move to another receptacle. Porcupine likes strawberries. I don't know if they actually do in real life, but in this game, porcupines like strawberries. Just find the porcupine image in the image library and then find the strawberry image. And there we go. Porcupine is all set. Now, I kind of want to move the bonus trash image to the left to be next to the bonus trash text, but will it break anything if I do that after they're already linked in the design? No, everything appears to be in order after that column shift. Awesome. And I jumped ahead just a bit and added the row for the fox. And now that I've done so, I think I want to move the critter portrait column over to the left to be after the card face column. I'll just move it far left first with this menu, and then bump it back over 1 to the right. There we go. Now it's card face, critter portrait, all the text, and then the bonus trash icon at the end. That feels better to me. Okay, the next rows are just going to repeat the same steps for each different critter. So I'll use the magic of editing to get through that real quick, and I'll see you back here in a few seconds. And there we go, all the critter cards are sorted out. This is a very basic setup right now, and I noticed some formatting things that I would like to address at some point, but for now this is fine. One thing I could have done as I created each row, though, is alter the quantity here in the quantity column. This tells the system how many copies of each card to include in the export process, which we'll get to eventually. But right now, that's it. This was a short one. We have a full design and data set for one of the card types in Trash and Grab. Next time, I'll step through the trash cards, which use a different card type other than poker. All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.